Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diam, and I got my husband here with me today because today is closing day. We are so excited. We are finally here after a whole year. We signed our contract back in, I know, right, boo? We signed our contract back in May of 2020. It's been a whole year, of course, because of COVID delays. They kept pushing, and pushing, but today is finally the day. So we are going to be going to closing a little bit later on, but we're about to start our day. I'll get some breakfast, me and my husband, run a couple of errands, get some last minute items before we go to closing. But when we get those keys, I will be taking you guys on an empty house tour. I'm so excited to show you guys the house and my vision for what's to come later down the line as we start, you know, making this house a home. Of course, this is like the reason why I started YouTube, to show you guys like my home content. So I'm just so excited. Finally, today is the day where I can start that journey with you guys. You guys been with me through my shopping videos, my shop with me videos. So you'll get to see me styling those actual pieces that I bought. You'll see hauls, you'll see all of that. So all of that's gonna be coming your way soon. But yeah, we're about to get this day started and get some breakfast. So let's go. You guys, we finally got the keys. We are feeling so thankful, so happy. We just got done closing. Everything went super well. It was actually a really quick close. Yeah. Like, it's called like an express close. They had us do like a lot of documents online prior to, but we just finished signing all our paperwork. We just feeling extra grateful. We can't wait to pick up our son, for him to see the new house. He's gonna be geeked. He's gonna be so excited. So we're about to go home and do this empty house tour, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are finally here. We got our keys to our home and we just walked in. Pardon the echoing. Obviously the house is empty, but I wanted to give you guys a quick empty house tour before our family come over here and we start popping champagne, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna get right into the empty house tour. Alright, so starting off, this is the dining room. It has some crown molding on top, and then also the chair rails down below, wiring for a chandelier or a light fixture that we'll put up there. Of course, right here is the entryway. Looking forward to putting a really big console table here, and of course, like just some entryway decor. So this is our living room. And of course, we had to get a fireplace. I mean, I had to pretty much fight Mike on that. I always wanted a fireplace. Finally got it. Gonna walk over here to the morning room. It's gloomy day out today, like it was a lot of rain, but usually this room is very bright. It still is bright right now, even though it is gloomy outside, but looking forward to mornings in here. We got some trees as our backdrop, which is great. But overall, this is just like a beautiful space. I'm really happy that we built this part out because this was optional. All right, I'm gonna take you guys to my office. So this is my office. It's perfect for me. Got my two windows over here. I'm gonna put my desk right here. I think this should just be a nice space for me with a lot of natural light. I'm just looking forward to doing my content in here and just making this like my area, my self-care area in the house for me. And I also have a bathroom in this space. So this is the bathroom. And honestly, I will probably be changing the fixtures in here, also changing the mirror in here. Like all the bathrooms, I'll probably be adding like our touches to it, of course, making it our own. As you know, with new construction homes and semi-custom homes, you don't really get that option to really build it out exactly how you want it. So I'm looking forward to making this house exactly how we want it, little by little. All right, so coming out of the office, it is our garage area and our mudroom. This is considered our mudroom. So this is our little bench right here, and it got some cubby holes underneath. This is going to be like our drop off station. So the way we see us building it out, we're going to have some hooks, we're going to have a calendar, where we're going to be having our mail and different things like that. So I think it's going to be really cute when we're done personalizing the space. I'm going to take you guys into the garage. Alright guys, so this is the garage. It's very echoey in here. We have really high ceilings, but this garage will probably be our dedicated gym area. That's how we see it to be. We want to epoxy the floors, we want to paint the walls, and just to get a lot of gym equipment in here so we can have our own at-home gym. We even plan on mounting some TVs, some mirrors, different things like that to make this really feel like a gym. Alright, so we're about to go upstairs. So we are upstairs. I'm gonna take you to our son's room first, so let's go. Right here is our baby boy's room. I love his little space. I think it's so cute. We haven't really got the plan of what we're gonna do. We threw some ideas around, but we just want this space to be really functional for him. Have a desk in here, have an area that he can kind of like be around, not necessarily play in, but like a space big enough for him to just function in his room. And honestly, I'll probably put his dresser in here, or build this out some way to make this more like an adequate closet, not with these wire shelves. But yeah, we don't want to put like dressers in his room. Just like I said, we want to make the space as usable as it can be. So we'll probably put his dresser inside the closet. Coming back out, we have Parker's bathroom. 2 sinks. Like I said, definitely probably change out the fixtures at some point. Change out the mirrors. Thinking about doing 2 mirrors instead of just the 1. And then we have his shower and toilet. Okay, moving on along, we have our laundry room area. We do want to build this out as well. In the future, you know, our washer and dryer would be here. We want to have like a countertop to fold clothes, maybe some open shelving or some cabinets here. But that would definitely be a project later on down the line. This room right here is our spare bedroom. All these rooms are a decent size to me. When we were touring them in the model home, they fit what you say, boo, a queen bed or something along those lines, and it still was very nice. So these are a great bedroom, great size. All right, so we are walking back. We have our linen closet right here, and then off to this room is Parker's playroom. Although he will have a lot of space in his own bedroom, we wanted to get him a dedicated space so he can play with his toys, house all his toys, so it's gonna be all around the house. If you're a parent, you already know how that is. So hopefully we'll minimize some of that with giving him his own playroom. All right, the last room upstairs, of course, is the owner suite. So voila! This is our bedroom. It's so pretty in here. I just love it so much. I think it's the light that it gets in here. It just feels so like warm and cozy and airy and all those good, you know, words. I love it so much. Of course, our bed. We got 2 chests coming on Thursday. So I can't wait to start making this bedroom livable and making it our style. We definitely are looking forward to that. Alright, so we are going to our bathroom. Even though we didn't have that many options to choose from with our builder, I am very happy with this towel selection. It's like a marble gray look. I think it's really pretty. So I'm definitely happy with that. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna be changing out the fixtures, changing out the mirrors, all that kind of stuff. But overall, very happy with this bathroom. Has 2 sinks, a tub, and a nice shower. So this is a seamless shower. We were only able to get this one up here. We wasn't able to get it in our in my office shower, so probably we'll replace that later down the line. And here is the toilet room. I mean, it's not much to see right there, but hey. And then walking into our closet. Me and Mike, we really want to build this out, make this space more usable, optimize the space. I don't know exactly which route we're going to go in with this, but definitely reach out to some closet vendor to talk over some designs and how exactly we want to make this room look. So definitely excited about that. But until then, we'll just use it as it is right now, and then hopefully, you know, build it out later on. Alright, so we are about to go into the basement. By the way, I love this, like, trimming this shelf right here. I think we can do so much with this. I think I might put some type of art piece on here or back here. I don't know. I just really like this shelf. I think this is a cool piece. Alright, so we are in the basement. This is honestly where the family's going to reside, I feel like. This is such a nice space. The way we have mapped this out, it's going to be like functional in 3 different areas. Like we're going to have like the movie area where we sit and watch TV on a big sectional over here. Around this way, we'll have like a game table and another TV on this wall. And then over here in this section, for all the people or all the husbands, let me say that, or boyfriends or what have you, this is the Call of Duty section where your men be playing Call of Duty all the time. So that's going to be over here. And also my husband's office area. Yeah, so the basement is just going to be like a fun zone. I'm super excited to build this out. I think it's going to look so cool by the time we're done with it. But it's just going to feel like TV here, 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 here. It's just going to be crazy. So we're definitely excited for that. So this room right here, we decided not to get this finished. We want to use this as storage, but if we feel the need to build this out in the future, we will do so. But we thought it was a great idea to actually have storage in this house. So this is a huge storage room. All of this space for storage. So we're really happy. We didn't have storage in our last house. If you watched our past video, I talked about that. So we're just really excited to be having storage in here. We're actually going to go and get some shelves. So when we start to move in our stuff, we'll have like a drop-off area and easy to manage area to keep like our boxes or different items that are not necessarily going into the house right now. And then right here, this is another part of our storage area, but we're going to be using this as like a hair salon, essentially. We talked about this in our last video. My husband came up with the idea. He cuts my son's hair. He cuts his own hair. I do my own hair. So what better way to incorporate that besides building us our own like hair suite? So I think it's going to be super cool. We'll have like a mirror, a chair. We're going to get some flooring in here. It's legit going to look like a little hair salon. And then we have our basement bathroom. Also has a shower in here and its own linen closet too. So this is a nice big bathroom. Last but not least, I'm going to take you to our kitchen. So this is our kitchen. Of course, we are in love with our kitchen. All white kitchen. This is what dreams are made of type of kitchen, in my opinion. But yeah, of course we plan on doing some upgrades of the lighting fixtures, the handles, knobs, faucet, just making it our own. Like I said, we didn't have the option to do a lot of this through our builder, so we plan just to make everything that we want the house to be a possibility in the future. So we're definitely excited. But in general, we love the kitchen as it is right now and looking forward to doing a lot of eating in here, a lot of cooking in here, and all that good stuff. We got a nice fridge that we really like. I love like these handles. I think it's so sleek. And this is a Frigidaire fridge. So it's just really high quality. I think the builder did a good job with the brand that they chose. We have a double oven. I mean, come on. Like, who don't want a double oven come Thanksgiving time? Like, I'm about to be making macaroni, yams, and turkey, all that good stuff in here. And then over here, of course, we have our dishwasher. And then we have this cool trash can drawer. And then not to mention, we chose to do a gray island. So, you know, our perimeter is white, but our island is gray cabinetry. So I thought that was really cute. I'm glad we were able to do that. And then right here, we have our microwave. So cute how they just incorporated all the appliances into like the cabinetry. I think that makes it look so seamless and sleek. So I'm really happy with that. So I'm gonna take you to our butler's pantry to wrap it up. Over here is our butler's pantry. A lot of cabinetry. We probably would store like our alcoholic beverages over here. Make this bar area really cute. And then probably also have like some table settings because right off of the butler's pantry is the dining room. And then last but not least is our pantry. So this is our pantry, nice space, walk in. I think this is enough room. I don't know why you would need even a bigger pantry than this unless you have a huge family, but this is perfect for our family. I'm really happy. Going to be doing some organization videos, so a lot to come with this house. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so that is the empty house tour. Like I mentioned, this is the start, the true start of my YouTube journey. I came here to do decorate with me, all home content. You know, I still do some vlogs here and there with lifestyle content, but I just cannot wait to start on my home decor journey and bring you guys along with me. It's about to be so much content coming your way. So if you like this channel, you like the content I produce, please be sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for the support thus far. And I'm really looking forward to more home videos coming your way. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.